Welcome to my Become Prettier by September challenge. Over the next 8 weeks, we are going to focus on small beauty habits that give the biggest result. These tips will work for every appearance, every style and every budget. So if you feel inspired to become a little prettier by September, I'm happy you are here. But before we start talking about skincare, makeup or hair, I want to make sure we are on the same page. Why do we even want to be beautiful? Everybody has their own motivation. Some people want more attention, some people want revenge after a breakup. Some people simply enjoy beauty, and honestly, I don't judge any of these reasons. But my motivation is different. I think being pretty is very practical. I think looking good gives you advantages in everyday life. And because everyday life creates your years, and your years create your whole life, I think it's worth talking about. Most of us interact with people every single day. We get jobs from people, we get opportunities from people, we build relationships with people, we buy from people, we sell to people, we are social creatures. And whether we like it or not, people respond to appearance. I'm not talking about being born with perfect features. I'm talking about looking like someone who intentionally takes care of herself. When people see someone who looks polished, they often assume that person respects herself, that she thinks she's worth spending time, effort and money on. And because of that, they are more likely to treat her with respect too. Unfair, I know. That's why I don't think beauty is a gift. I think beauty is a skill. And that's the best news. Because skills can be learned. My goal isn't to convince you to spend more money or buy more products. Actually, it's the opposite. I want to help you get the biggest improvement with the smallest amount of time, money and effort. I've worked in the beauty industry for about 16 years. I've been a hairstylist, a makeup artist, a permanent makeup artist, and now I work in digital marketing and e-commerce for an international beauty company. I'm one of the people behind the beauty launches you see on social media every day. So I've seen this industry from many different angles. And one thing I've learned is that perfection is completely overrated. Most people either try to do everything perfectly and end up doing nothing, or they spend twice as much time for a result that's only 5% better. I'd rather teach you something else: consistency. There's a rule called 19-20 principle. Around 20% of your actions create around 80% of your results. I believe beauty works exactly the same way. You don't need 50 products. You don't need a 3-hour beauty routine. You need a few high-impact habits that you can repeat every single day. Even when you are tired, even when you are busy, even when you've had a terrible day. That's where real transformation happens. Not because one day was perfect, but because every single day was good enough. That's exactly what we are going to build over the next 8 weeks. Every week I will give you one simple goal, one practical action, and one key idea I want you to remember. Nothing complicated and nothing expensive, just things that actually make a visible difference. Your homework for this week is very simple. Take a before picture. Don't post it anywhere, just take a normal photo of yourself as you look in everyday life. In 8 weeks we will compare it with your September photo. I think you will be surprised by how much small changes can add up. And one more thing, this challenge isn't about becoming someone else. I'm not going to tell everyone to wear the same makeup or dress the same way. You're all different, and my job is to help you become a better version of yourself, of your own appearance, not to copy someone else's. And finally, I think this challenge is perfect for ambitious girls. Girls who already work hard, girls who already have skills, Girls who are smart, but who also understand that life isn't perfectly fair. You can absolutely succeed by relying only on your skills, but if you can get there a little faster by putting a bit of effort into your appearance, why wouldn't you? So I will see you next week, and I wish you good luck.